Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to measure distance in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this measure tool and faster distance and this perimeter. Click on this distance option and select and drag your mouse cursor and select your distance area and see this. And again with this and see this line distance 6.55 inch and this is vertical and this one horizontal and total distance. And also click on this perimeter option and select distance and see this total area 24.6 inch and this distance and this angle and this is in this you can measure distance on your PDF file and again click on this distance option and see this distance for this. Yeah, in this way you can measure distance on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.